Now the question is, if L and M are variable real numbers such that 5L square plus 6M square minus 4LM plus 3L equals 0, then variable line Lx plus My equals to 1 always touches a fixed parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. So first we'll consider a line. First we'll consider a parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. So we can write this equation as y minus k whole square equals 4a x minus h. So let this be the equation of this fixed parabola. Now it says this line Lx plus My equals to 1. It touches this parabola. So we'll solve this question using quadratic condition. So what I'll do is I'll eliminate x. So I'll write y minus k square 4a, and then in place of x we'll write 1 minus my upon L minus h. So now we can square it. We'll write y square plus k square minus 2ky into L, and this is 4a 1 minus my minus LH. So we can write this equation as Ly square minus 2kl plus 4am into y, and then plus k square L minus 4a, and then 1 minus LH equals to 0. Now we know that this line, it will touch this parabola only when we have one point of intersection, and the condition for one point of intersection is value of d, it should be 0. So for this quadratic in y, we'll put d equals to 0. So we'll take 2 common, so there'll be 4, and then 2am minus kl whole square, and then minus 4l, and here we'll get k square L minus 4a plus 4a LH equals 0. So this 4 and 4 will cancel. So we can write it as 4a square m square plus k square L square minus 4am LK minus k square L square plus 4al minus 4a L square h equals 0. Now here k square L square will cancel, and we can also cancel 4a. So we can write this as am square minus k into lm plus L, and minus h L square equals to 0. So we can write this equation as HL square minus AM square plus K LM, and then minus L equals to 0. Now the condition given to us is 5L square plus 6M square. So it is 5L square plus 6M square minus 4LM and plus 3L, it is 0. So these two equations, they are coincident. So that means we can write this as h upon 5, and this is minus a upon 6, k upon minus 4, and this is minus 1 by 3. So if we'll take the first and last, we'll get h as minus 5 by 3, and taking these two, we'll get k as 4 by 3, and from second and last, we'll get the value of a as 2. So we can write this equation as y minus 4 by 3 square equals 8 x plus 5 by 3, which is capital Y square equals 4a capital X. Now for this parabola, we know that vertex is at origin. So capital X is 0 and capital Y is 0. So we'll put capital X as 0. We'll get X as minus 5 by 3 and we'll get Y as 4 by 3. So that's your option number A. Now second, we'll need to find focus of this parabola. We know that for the first form, focus is A comma 0. So capital X is A and capital Y is 0. So X here is X plus 5 by 3. And what is the value of A? A here is 2. And then Y minus 4 by 3 equals 0. So if we'll take it on the right hand side, we'll get X as 1 by 6 and Y as 2 minus 5 by 3. So that is 6 minus 5 by 3. So it is 1 by 3 and we'll get Y as 4 by 3. So its focus is at 1 by 3 comma 4 by 3. That's your option number B. And then we need to write equation of directrix. So equation of directrix. So equation of directrix is capital X equals minus A. So that is X plus 5 by 3 equals minus 2. So it will be 3x plus 5 equals minus 6. And it is 3x plus 11 equals 0. And that's your option number C.